Hi, in this video tutorial, we will learn how to change the profile photo of our Facebook account on our smartphone. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. We need to click on the three stripes in the upper right corner. Here we go to our profile. Here you need to click on the camera icon next to our avatar. We click, and first of all we can click on Add Frame to add a beautiful frame. Let me choose a frame with clouds and the world. It looks beautiful. We save it. Now we are waiting for our avatar to be updated. The avatar has been updated and clouds have appeared. Click here again. Click on Select Profile Picture. And in this way, we can change the photo in the profile. I will select this black image and click on Save. We are waiting for it to load. And everything works fine again. The picture is set. Everything is okay. And the third thing we can do is create an avatar for the profile of our Facebook account. Let's choose this man. Give him such hair. Here you can change everything as you want. Eyebrow color, head shape, beard, eye color, whatever your heart desires. You can customize your character. Then click on Done. Our avatar is loading and click on Next. We accept everything. Our avatar is ready. You can click here again and continue to change it if you don't like something. Click on Finish. Then, in the upper right corner, click on the arrow and we can click on Make Profile Picture to make it a profile avatar. We leave it like that. Save. Okay. We go back. We are waiting for changes to take place and we will have a new picture. That's it. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.